Hello, and welcome to your heart meditation. Today, you will connect with the energy of your heart to bring more alignment and emotional freedom into your life. Before we go in, take a few moments to acknowledge your presence and your commitment to reconnect with yourself, to reconnect to the most vital part of you, your heart. As we go into meditation, follow the simple steps. Just sit comfortably. It doesn't matter if you are sitting on a chair, laying down, or sitting on the floor. Make sure that you bring awareness into your body and you feel comfortable but awake. Now, slowly close your eyes. For just this moment, let go of your thoughts and the outside world. Focus your full attention on your spiritual heart center. You can find it in the middle of your chest and be aware of your heart as a space. You can keep your hands on your lap, or you can put your both hands on your heart and feel it deeply and profoundly. The heart center is a point of awareness where feelings enter. In its essence, the heart is pure emptiness, pervaded by peace and a subtle light. This light may appear as white, gold, pale pink, or blue. But don't strain to find the light of any kind. Let it be the color that it comes to you. All you need to feel is whatever is there. Resting your attention easily on your heart center, breathe gently and sense your breath flowing into your heart. Now you may want to visualize a soft pastel light of coolness pervading in the chest. Let your breath go in and out, and as it does, ask your heart what it needs to say. Don't phrase this as an order. Just have the faint intention that you want your heart to express itself. For the next 5 or 10 minutes, just sit and listen. Your heart will begin to release emotions, memories, wishes, fears, and dreams long stored inside. As it does, you will find yourself paying attention. You may have a flash of strong emotion, positive or negative, or a forgotten memory. Your breathing may change. You may gasp, sigh, or feel tears coming into your eyes. Let the experience be what is. If you daydream or drift off into sleep, don't worry. Just bring your attention back to your heart center. As you go deeper, remember this: the heart's message is perfect. Whether it speaks to you in sadness or fear, delight or pleasure, its message is exactly what you need. If voices of anger, worry, or doubt start to arise, allow them to speak and then let them go, easily and comfortably. You are learning to be with your heart in order for the heart to speak to you openly and freely. Repressed emotions to come up, to be released. This is true freedom. You are listening to your heart without judgment. This is attention. As you practice this meditation, spend a few minutes each day to connect with your heart center. You will get the glimpses of your heart as it really is. Silence, peace, a warm glow, or a subtle light. Even if these glimpses are fleeting, you will find that your life outside of meditation is starting to change. At unexpected moments, you will feel a wave of joy. and well-being sweeping over you. You will begin to walk with more aliveness in your step. These are the very signs that the constrictions you held around the heart center is releasing, and you let go of fear and tightness. As you let go of these emotions, you open your heart for light and lightness. This is the flow of love. As you are slowly coming back into your body, continue to sit restfully, inhaling and exhaling slowly. Whenever you feel ready, open your eyes.